No more water in the basement. That's it.
I mean, if they cover that up with mulch and another rock, that would look fine back there in that corner.
You won't even see that back there once you get the mulch and the whatever else back there.
Yeah, another rock on top of it or something.
Yep.
See, I would have put that rock sideways up there so you can't see it. I don't know why you got it like that. That looks dumb. Go like this.
If once you throw the other stuff over it.
Watch it.
Let's see if he can make it look any better.
That looks even better.
I mean, that's all right.
Hide that ugly lid.
That'll work. But you got to fix that spot right behind it where that rock was.
No, you don't. That's going to get covered with mulch. That's all going to get mulched.
Looks pretty good.
Grass grows back, gets mulched, look good as shit. And no water in the basement.
No water in the basement.
No water in the basement.